everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. Today I'm going to be talking about the new NMC update on CBT testing. As we all know, the NMC has introduced a new testing format. However, it is not due to commence this summer. It's going to be commencing in April 2021. So I guess this is a good news to everyone who is waiting to do their CBT and have been worried if the new test of competency has been commenced. This test of competency has been postponed due to the COVID, just to give recruiters, employers and test takers time to prepare for this examination. The NMC has also promised that they will give at least 3 months notice before these examinations commence, giving the timetable to people to follow so that you are well prepared for this new test of competency. So if you are booked for a CBT from now up to April 2021, be rest assured that you're going to be doing the old test of competency. Okay, so if you do like this video, do like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.